We've seen the pictures, we've heard the stories. Countless children caught in the middle of the heroin epidemic, and now some of them are falling right through the cracks.
They are becoming victims of an overwhelmed system meant to help them. James Girardi, the newest member of the News 5 team, talked to those working on the front lines of the crisis. He's at the Cuyahoga County Juvenile Justice Center tonight. What did you find out, James?
Yeah, good evening, guys. We've learned tonight that the heroin epidemic is forcing hundreds of kids into the Ohio juvenile court system. We've also learned tonight that there aren't enough caseworkers to handle this influx.
My drug court docket has almost doubled this year.
Cuyahoga County Magistrate Nancy McMillan has seen firsthand how heroin has led to kids pouring into the juvenile justice system.
Those of us that have this docket are finding that we're being overwhelmed, and it is getting harder and harder to get the cases in a timely fashion.
The influx seemingly happening overnight. 2015 was when the floodgates opened, says McMillan. Since 2009, the Ohio Department of Child Services has seen a 19% increase in new cases. That's 2,000 kids. Half of them, or 1,000, were added in 2015 alone. McMillan says you can blame that spike on heroin.
They aren't looking at their parents as addicts or bad people. These are their parents, and they love them.
CPS caseworkers are seeing the biggest impact. It's recommended by the state. Caseworkers have no more than 12 cases at a time. In Cuyahoga County, they average 14. In Portage County, workers average 17 cases.
Our community has so many resources that we are putting forward to address the heroin epidemic.
And we're all paying the price. More cases means more money. Hundreds of millions of dollars spent every year on child neglect cases in Ohio, many tied today to heroin.
When children are neglected or abused or left alone for a period of time, the impact is great.
The solution? There's really no easy answer. One option, more affordable treatment to make sure the addiction is handled before it gets too far. Reporting live in Cleveland tonight, I'm James Girardi, News 5.